Monday, March 30th, 2020. This is our dad, Yoni Zofan.
As you can probably guess, we are his kids. I am Avi and I am in 3rd grade.
Zach. And I am Zach, and I am in 1st grade.
We thought we would start this video by summarizing the current events. We saw a meme that said that what is going on in the world. Sounds like a story written by a 3rd or 4th grader, so here it is. First, there was this virus and everyone got scared. And then the world ran out of toilet paper. And then there was no school for like a month. And then it snowed.
Instead of our dad just telling us about boring things like he usually does, we thought we would make it fun and ask him questions. I will start. First question, Dad, how is the coronavirus impacting your work?
Well, in addition to getting to spend a lot more time with you guys while working from home, the events in the world are actually having a really big impact on energy prices. Last week was the natural gas expiration price for the prompt month, which happened to be April 2020, and it expired at one of its lowest prices ever.
Like lower than it's ever been since I have been born alive?
Actually, yeah. April expired at 1.634. The last time a prompt month got close to that was March 2016, when it expired at 1.711. You were only 4 years old back then, by the way. In the data our company tracks, which goes back to 1997, we've never seen an expiration price lower than the April 2020 expiration price.
So, why are these prices so low right now? Seems like a weird time for prices to be at their lowest.
Really good question. It is a really weird time considering everything that's going on in the world for natural gas and electricity prices to be so low. There's a couple reasons why though. First, this past winter wasn't really like winter, it was more like fall. So we didn't really use as much gas as we planned to. Now we've got all this extra gas in storage waiting to be used. And on a daily basis, we're producing more than we ever have in the United States. And lastly, with all the schools and restaurants and churches and many businesses closed, there's a lot less energy being used. Now, homes like ours are using a lot more on a daily basis, but it's not nearly enough to offset all that industrial business that's not using energy right now.
So, are prices going to stay this low forever?
Also a good question. The answer is highly unlikely. In fact, looking out, future year pricing has already started moving higher even while summer prices are dropping. The uncertainty in the market is keeping those outer years prices strong and not letting them move lower like prices are this summer.
Okay, I think that's enough for now. We hope everyone enjoyed this video.
Please stay safe.
Thanks for watching.